and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to freeze fried chicken. So if you've ever had some leftover fried chicken and you think to yourself, I want to save this, I don't want it to go to waste, but I also don't want to eat it again for a couple days, we're going to show you how you can safely put it in the freezer. So this fried chicken will keep in your freezer for 3 to 6 months safely. And when you get this out of the freezer to reheat it, you're probably going to want to do it in an air fryer. It's going to be the best way to get the coating on the breading on the chicken crispy again. I'm going to show you how to freeze fried chicken.
Okay, so this is super simple. We've got our fried chicken here and we have a Ziploc bag and a Sharpie. And basically, you're just going to write the date and what it is that you're putting in the bag on your Ziploc bag. So you want to write the date that you're putting it in, the item. So we're writing 11/9/23, and then it's fried chicken. And then you can either write like 3 to 6 months. You could write the date that it's going to go bad, potentially. That part's up to you. I usually just write whatever the date is and then like 3 to 6 months, and then I just leave doing the math up to future Sarah's. That's her problem, not mine. Anyway, so you want to put it in your bag and you want to squeeze out as much of the air as possible. When you're freezing stuff, you really want things to have as little air in the package as possible. That's what is going to cause like freezer burn and that sort of thing. So you want to squeeze out as much air as possible. And then you're going to tuck that away in your freezer. And that's really it. And then it will stay in there for 3 to 6 months. And when you reheat it, you'll just want to use your air fryer. But it's super simple. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. And thanks for watching.